blessings. Welcome to the Novice Kitchen. Today we're making the ultimate crispy fried chicken sandwich on the ultimate burger bun, brioche burger bun we recently did. Now I have already uploaded that video. Link is below in the description box. You must check it out. Let's do it.
Yes, let's do it. Jumping right in. Here are my ingredients: my chicken thighs deboned and skinned, some buttermilk whose job is to tenderize the chicken and also make it juicier and tasty, crushed black pepper and salt, fennel seeds, onion flakes, all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, chili powder, and then we're going to grate in 2 cloves of garlic. Now this becomes an incredibly delicious marinade for the chicken. It will tenderize the chicken because of the buttermilk, which has a sourness to it. It has acidity, and then it will also force all these amazing flavors into the chicken muscle. So whisk together, make sure it's combined well, and then you're going to submerge all your chicken pieces into it. We will be marinating today at room temperature for 20 to 25 minutes. So we will need to cover it up with a cling film and then set it aside on your kitchen counter. And let's move on now to the breading ingredients. So for that, we're going to need some all-purpose flour, and then repeat the dry spices and seasonings in the marinade with the exception of the fennel seeds. So this will be the salts and crushed black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, and the chili powder. Now you want to whisk till this is well combined. And the breading is set, ready to go. And while our chicken marinates, we have plenty of time to prepare our honey roasted barbecue spread or sauce for our sandwich. So in my blender, I have added some mayonnaise followed by Dijon mustard. Now I'm drizzling in the sweet factor, which is honey. And then I also add some salt, crushed black pepper, followed by smoked paprika. To make it smoky, we need that smokiness in there. And of course, I also have my homemade roasted garlic, and I add 5 cloves of it. And you may substitute the roasted garlic with a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Also add your chili powder, which will give it a nice little kick. Not a spicy kind of kick, but it will give it that chili kick. You would love it in there, and it will also help to enhance the color of it. Blend so smooth, and voila, this is sweet. It's a smoky with a no heat chili kick, and the roasted garlic in there is phenomenally delicious. Now that's done, so we set that aside. Now I have some peanut oil heating up to fry our chicken in. It has been actually 30 minutes of marinating the chicken. So we're going to remove the chicken pieces from the marinade, and then into the breading it goes. And by the way, we will be double breading these chicken pieces because why the heck not, right? We want to make sure that we make the most out of this delicious breading, as well as your yummy marinade. Besides, the recipe calls for the double breading because we are at the end of the day making crispy fried chicken sandwich, right? So make the most out of your breading and your marinade to arrive at that must-have crispy factor. Yes, to live for. You must have it. All right, so that's done, and it's ready now for the hot oil. Perfect. Last piece is coated. Now let's check the temperature of our oil. It needs to be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to fry each chicken piece well. Chicken must be fried well for food safety reasons, okay? So you want to check that temperature. And it's going to fry it at that temperature. It's going to fry the outer layer super crispy, leaving the inner layer juicy, not dry, but juicy and well cooked. Perfect. Hear that? Yum. Still juicy with a crunchy, crispy outer layer. Can't beat that. I love such simple recipes that just make you happy. And our brioche bun is ready. And by the way, the recipe for this, like I stated before, is linked below, so check it out. It is a no-fail recipe. You would love this. You try it once, you'll try it again and again and again, and you'll share the recipe too. So onto the griddle it goes. I just drizzled some olive oil onto them. And the griddle is hot, so just about 30 seconds is all we need to toast these. And spread your honey roasted barbecue sauce on it. Oh my gosh, how yummy was this? You'll have to try it to know. And place your lettuce followed by the chicken. And you want that tang factor. So we added some pickled cucumber followed by some tomatoes. And then sprinkle a little kosher or sea salt onto your tomatoes. It just makes the tomatoes a lot sweeter. And then spread some more honey roasted barbecue sauce on the top brioche bun because you can. You absolutely can, and you are the boss. So you decide what you want to do, what condiments you want to add. Just look at these babies. Are they not inviting? Friends, I thank you for watching. Hope you make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. It is chop time.
Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time. And here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.